Okay, this is the room at the Fairfield Inn and Suites. Very nice. It looks new. The only thing is the elevator isn't working. We're on the second floor. If we were any higher than that, I would probably ask them for a refund, because there's no way I'm going up 3-4 flights of stairs back and forth. So, but it's very nice. Okay, aside from that, sometimes there's mechanical problems, elevators, we forgive them. There's a hair dryer, tissue box, very nice, and
it's cold too.
The air conditioning is working. They have a microwave, refrigerator,
Cups,
coffee maker.
Okay.
Okay, everything looks brand new in this place. So, a little closet with a iron and ironing board, full-length mirror. It has a TV, a nice work area, which is very nice. I like this. Plenty of plugs and everything, even in the lamp. There's outlets in this one.
And a telephone.
And a telephone.
Yeah.
And what's that over there?
That's the time. And look, there's a pen. And there's
paper.
And pillows. And look, there's a book.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah. And look, there's one.
Air conditioning.
And there's a trash can. Mom, Daddy, there's a trash can.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now, one thing, we're more towards the middle of the building, which is nice because when I was parking the car outside, the freight train is right across the street from this place. So, if you get a room here, make sure that you ask for either the other end or towards the middle of the building, so you don't get noise from the freight train. That's important. That's about it. Anyway, thank you for watching. They have a free breakfast here. So the front desk area is very nice. I'll show that on a separate video. Okay. Okay, going to breakfast. Here's the lobby area.
This is the restaurant. The restaurant.
Okay.
Daddy, I want cereal.
You want cereal?
Yeah.
Okay.
The rainbow cereal.
Let's get you cereal.
Yeah. Thanks, Daddy. I love cereal.
All right.
That's
Where do you want to sit?
right here. This is our
You want to sit there? No. Yes.
This is our table.
Yeah, sit here.
Yeah, this is clean.
Okay.
Mommy, I got cereal.
All right. You like that type of cereal? Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Now they have bold and decaf. You don't like decaf, so
Right, I'm gonna go for the bold.
bold, okay.
The bold and the beautiful. Anyway, here is the lobby area. Okay. It's very clean. They have a little office section where you can use a computer and do printing.
You want whole milk?
Yes, the whole milk is here. Anyway, they have bagels, toast.
And a strawberry for me, strawberry for him, and vanilla for
We
you.
have
This is a 2% that's fat.
hard-boiled eggs, fruit, eggs, turkey sausage, Canadian bacon, and waffles, of course. Anyway,
Daddy.
yes. Okay. Here we are for breakfast.
Is here the breakfast then? Chan, can you share to Lola?
Are you happy about breakfast?
I'm happy because I have the cranberry juice.
Okay. Cranberry juice.
Mother?
Very nice here. I just want to show the outside of the Fairfield Inn and Suites Marriott, Gallup, Gallup, New Mexico. I would say this is a fairly new facility. It's nice, and just go in. I'm checking out. Harry did a video of the breakfast, and it's all nice. Very, very nice facility. Hold on. I just want to get a look. Let me go to the front door. Hold on.
Yeah, I was definitely stressed, but what do you do in those
I just want to show the indoor swimming pool, which I this is the swimming pool. It's indoor. Went in the pool yesterday. Water was nice. I didn't go in the spa. Usually spas are too hot for me. I don't like it. But here's the pool. It's very small, but if you want to take a dip, it's nice. They supply the towels. Now, they also have a very small gym, a treadmill, elliptical, and treadmill, that type of thing. Some free weights they have. It's being cleaned. I don't want to disturb them right now. But anyway, it was a very good stay. I recommend this place.